Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2019 Goodguys PPG Nationals and I came across a 68 Corvette I think y'all gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
How about that? The Green Mamba. Very cool 68 Corvette. I'm a big fan of this body style. And then you have one street machine, basically autocross, whatever you want to call the style. But if it didn't have all those stickers all over it and I was shooting it, everybody would be screaming that it was a trailer queen. All upgraded up underneath because it's built to drive for sure. It's got 18 by 11 and a half and 18 by 12 and a half. 12 and a half are on the back, 11 and a half on the front. Side pipes, black chrome wheels, custom headlights, custom front fascia, carbon fiber bumpers, carbon fiber chin spoiler. Man, it is just cool. And all done to a very, very nice high level. And it's got a 427 in it, 650 horse, although I was never able to catch it with the hood open. From my understanding, that's what's powering it. I love the green color. And then, of course, you know, you walk up to it and you look in the interior and see the interior is nice, really nice. Custom, all finished, 2 seats. Not what you would expect to find in a race car. It's even got a glove box, it looks over there. You know, I like glove boxes. No, the whole car just really impressed me from front to back, top to bottom. It's just really done nice. And then if you stick around, I got a little video of it running on the Autocross because it's actually a pro Autocross car. I don't know if I mentioned it, but built 12 and a half months in a 2-car garage. How cool is that? A driver, built at home, right? Everybody should like that. And again, just really, really nice. Especially, you know, not even for just saying it's a race car, but it's just cool all the way around. ZL1 hood scoop, sides to match. And like I said, check this out.
Yeah, next week it's going in. Classic Performance Parts, hashtag Classic Perform.
So there you go, from the 2019 Goodguys PPG Nationals, a 1968 Corvette autocross car, Green Mamba. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.